Welcome. If you want to add your Auto Webcam Pro W90 camera to your OBS studio, at first from the sources you have to select plus. Next, pick a video capture device. We have to create a new one, so select here, and also remember to check this option. It's make source visible feature, so we have to select this switcher. Right now we have to click OK. Right now I'm gonna resize this camera. Okay, and right now this window will be visible for you. So take a look. We have to pick device, switch from the current camera to the USB camera, and after a few seconds we got preview of our W90 Pro camera. So all we have to do, just click OK, and there it is. Right now, as you can see on the preview, we are able to move camera window, and we can resize, for example, so we can make it bigger or smaller, wherever you want. That's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.